Hey there, origami friends. I am Leyla Torres of origamispirit.com, and I am excited to share something very special today. You know how we all love origami boxes, right? I am hosting a live session where I will fold these adorable little boxes that you see here. They are called boat drawer boxes. What makes these boxes special is that they are easy and fun to make. Each one needs only 2 pieces of paper, but look at what we can get. One with this elegant diamond pattern on the top, and it's twinned with a lovely heart design. Here is the best part. This class is completely free, and I invite you to participate. We will meet on Zoom on Saturday, February 15 at 2 p.m. time of New York City, and I will guide you through each step to fold these boxes. You can ask questions anytime you need help. Now, I can only host a limited number of people, so if you like to join this class, just click the registration link that is attached to this video. We still have some spots open, but they are filling quickly. I am looking forward to folding together with you this Saturday. It's going to be a fun session. Register now, and I will see you then.